At REALSTACK, we recently introduced a brand new feature that is the auto generation of brochures. This is extremely important to our clients because brochure downloads are the #1 lead conversion type across all of REALSTACK. So what we wanted to do is generate a PDF brochure for every single listing we have in our system automatically for our clients. This new feature will increase your lead quantities, help you grow your email marketing list, and ultimately sell more listings. Thus, we have created this video to quickly show you how to take advantage of REALSTACK's newest feature, the auto generation of brochures. Let's take a look. The first step is to set up your logo on your REALSTACK account. Click on your name in the top right corner of the screen. In the following drop-down menu, click Account. From the Account screen, scroll down and see there's a logo already uploaded in this demo. Although we won't go into much detail on this section today, you can upload your logo to this section through a simple drag and drop process and click the Save button. This brings us to our second step. Click your name once more in the top right corner, and then in the drop-down menu, click Brochures. The Brochures section is where you will turn on your auto-generate brochures. Click the Auto-Generate Brochures switcher to Yes. Now, whether you manually enter your listings or you import your listings from a third party, either way, a brochure will automatically generate when a listing is created. REALSTACK also allows you to customize your primary, secondary, and footer background colors, which you will see once we generate a brochure. Furthermore, we display 4 maps within the brochures. The locator maps are basically street maps, the aerial maps are, as you would expect, the satellite view of those maps, and you'll also be able to customize the zoom level defaults so that you can have a zoomed out view for proximity to the region. You can also have a zoomed in view for a more street definition, allowing you to see more specific points of interest on the map. The last feature of REALSTACK's auto-generated brochures is the disclaimer information. The auto-generated brochures come with pre-filled disclaimer information for you. Feel free to use it as is or change it as you see fit. Once you've finished customizing your settings, click Save to update the auto-generated brochure settings. Now, let's preview a brochure for one of your listings. On the left navigation, click Listings, and underneath Listings, click View Listings. Pick the listing that you'd like to see an auto-generated brochure for. Click the action icon to the right for a listing and click Edit. Now scroll down to the brochure section of the Upload Listing page. If there is already a brochure for your chosen listing, click Remove File. Once the file is removed, you will receive a pop-up message saying, "Congratulations, you've removed your old brochure." Just click OK on the pop-up window and then scroll down and click Submit. After clicking Submit, what you'll see is the file is processing to build the brochure for your listings. Once REALSTACK has generated the PDF, it will appear as a link next to the brochure label. Click on the link to begin downloading the brochure as a file in your browser. After the file has downloaded, simply click on the file in your browser to view the nicely crafted brochure. Another feature we've added to our brochures is the Notes section. Oftentimes, before showing, prospective buyers want to print the brochure off to take with them. We've added a Notes section, making it easier for your prospective buyers to take notes during that showing. One final note before we finish our edits of the listing page. We understand sometimes you want to use your own custom brochure for a listing. In that case, return to your Update Listings page and scroll down to the Brochures section. As we illustrated earlier in the video, click the Remove File button to remove the REALSTACK generated brochure. Now simply drag and drop your PDF brochure into the box. Lastly, scroll down and click Submit to finish uploading your brochure. Any website visitor can access the brochure on the actual listing detail webpage. As we scroll down on the listing detail webpage for the same exact listing, you'll see a brochure button that's below the photo gallery viewer. Once a website visitor clicks on the brochure button, they will be redirected to the landing page. In order to download the brochure, they will fill out the simple form and submit. If you have any questions about our auto-generator brochures, please visit help.realstack.com.